How to contact customer support on Dacast. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'd learn how you can contact customer support on Dacast. So the first step is to log in into your Dacast account, just like I've done here. And once you're logged in and you're brought to your own page, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon as well as an help option next to it. So you can just click on that help option. So by clicking on the help option, you'll see some options, you see a drop down menu that is displayed containing some options for you, which includes resources that would guide you on how to get started on Dacast, knowledge-based blog, video tutorials on how to explore Dacast, and then the contact us option, right, which includes how to contact the customer support. So we have three options here: email, chat to support, then call. So you can select any of these options that is okay for you. So if you want email, you can just click on the email option, and then you'll be taken to the Dacast contact us page where you can now send an email by entering in details, your first name, your last name, enter in your email which you would use to receive a response, your phone number, the department, then the message. What exactly are you trying to pass across to Dacast? And then the other option that you have is to click on the chat to support, where you can chat to the digital assistant directly on the website without being redirected to another page. So by clicking on that, you can see the page displayed, you can see live support. Then you can go ahead to type out your concerns, and then the online digital assistant will respond to you as swiftly as possible and you will receive answers to your questions. And finally, the last option in contacting the customer support is by making use of the calling option. All right, you can just click on the help option again, and then you can see call us, then go ahead, copy the number. So by copying the number, you can now go ahead to make your call, and you would also make your concerns known and answers would be provided to you. So this is how you can contact Dacast customer service. Thank you for watching and have a good day.